How to make a leaderboard for your Fortnite Creative maps. So the first thing you want to do is go to island settings. In island settings, look for scoring, and scoring, scroll down. In here, change the illumination score to 1. After that, you want to go to user interface. In here, you want to click on HUD. On here, you want to change the HUD info type from none to the scores. Now you want to exit out of it, and now you want to start your game. After you have started your game, you can see there's this box on under your map that shows your score. If this video helped you out, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.